Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll talk about how to fix a KitchenAid dishwasher that's not draining. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. The following are some of the reasons why your dishwasher isn't draining: a clogged drain pump, a faulty drain hose, a clogged garbage disposal. Here's how to fix these issues. Unclog the drain pump. Disconnect your dishwasher from power. Find your dishwasher pump and remove it. Ensure the impeller has no obstructions. Use a multimeter to test the pump's continuity. Replace a pump that shows no continuity. If it's not working, check the drain hose. Disconnect your dishwasher from power. Find the drain hose and straighten a kinked hose. Check for clogs and remove them using a wire. Reattach the hose to see if the problem is solved. Replace a damaged or cracked hose. If this doesn't work, unclog the garbage disposal. Inspect the garbage disposal for any food or debris stuck inside. Use a toxin-free drain cleaner to remove the obstructions. Alternatively, run the disposal to clear the obstructions. Start a drain cycle to remove the water and ensure the knockout plug is removed. Try draining the dishwasher, but contact an expert for help if the issue continues. So, there you have it. Follow these steps to fix your KitchenAid dishwasher that's not draining. Thanks for watching. Till next time.